Now let's look at some examples using trigonometric ratios. In this problem, we're given a right triangle where we have the length of one side is equal to 200, and we're also given the measure of an acute angle. We want to find the length of side A and the length of side B. First, let's find the length of side A. Now, with the length of this side being 200 and us wanting to find the length of side A, we have the ratio of tangent theta equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So I'm setting this problem up, we'll write tangent of 27 degrees is equal to A divided by 200. So now we want to get A by itself. So we multiply both sides by 200, and we end up with 200 times tangent of 27 degrees equals A. And when we put this information in our calculator, we find that the side of length A is 101.9. Now let's find the length of side B. So this time, we still have the measure of our acute angle, which is 27 degrees. We have our adjacent side, which is 200, and we want to find the hypotenuse, which is side B. So this gives us the cosine ratio, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So in setting this problem up, we write cosine of 27 degrees is equal to 200 divided by B. We multiply both sides by B, and so we end up with B times cosine of 27 degrees equals 200. Now to get B by itself, we can divide both sides of the equation by cosine of 27 degrees. When we divide 200 by cosine of 27 degrees and put that in our calculator, we find that the length of side B is approximately 224.5. In this problem, we want to look at the pyramid called Khafre in Egypt. We want to know, how high is this pyramid? So the information that we're given in this problem is the measure of an acute angle, which is 58 degrees. We're given the length of side AC, which is 108. This gives us a tangent ratio. So we say that tan of A is equal to BC over AC. So substituting in the information that we have, we can write tan of 58 degrees is equal to BC divided by 108, which is the length of our side AC. So now we'll multiply both sides of our equation by 108 to get BC by itself. We multiply 108 times tan of 58 degrees is equal to BC. When we put this in our calculator, we find that the length of BC is 144. So the height of the pyramid of Khafre is 144. Let's look at another example involving trigonometric ratios. This problem says a group of hikers plans to walk from a camp to a lake. The lake is 2 miles east and 0.5 miles north of the camp. To the nearest degree, in what direction should the hikers walk? The information that we're given in this example gives us a tangent ratio. So we set up our equation here. Tan of theta is equal to 0.5 divided by 2. So to find theta, which is the measure of the degree of the angle we're trying to find, we apply inverse tangent on both sides of the equation. Inverse tangent and tangent cancel out, so we're left with theta on the left side is equal to inverse tangent of 0.5 divided by 2. And when we put that in our calculator, we get that theta is equal to 14 degrees.